Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to use your Occiam T9 wireless earbuds. Really quickly, I'm just going to go over some of the most basic things. You can see that these are in right now and they are charging. Now, when I open the case, it's giving me this amount of charge. This is not the earbuds, this is actually the case itself. So when the charge case gets low, we can charge it up by plugging it in back here. And actually these will be breathing red when they're charging, which you'll never see because it's only happening when the case is closed. But if I open it real quick, you might see see that breathing red light. That means it's charging. But anyways, once you open it, they automatically turn on and go into pairing mode. And this is what the pairing mode looks like. Now, that's one way to turn them on. Another way to turn them on is if they're out of your case and turned off. If we just press and hold the multifunction button on the back of these simultaneously for a couple of seconds, it will turn them on. And then if they're on and we want to turn them off without putting them back, we can put them back in the case, or we can just press and hold this multifunction button for 5 seconds and it will turn off. Also, if these are out and not connected to anything for 5 minutes, they will go ahead and turn off. So once we have them out and we have them connected to something, if we're listening to music, we can pause or resume our music by single tapping either of the buttons on the back of these. Then we can skip to the next track by double clicking the right multifunction button, and we can go to the previous track by double clicking the left button. If we long press the right, it will turn the volume up. If we long press the left, that will turn the volume down. And then if you get a phone call, if you single press either of them, it will answer the call, and if you single press it again, it will end the call. And then if you want to reject a call that you get, if you long press either of these, it will reject the call. So that's kind of like the main things that you might want to do with this. If you're trying to get it paired, I will go ahead and you can go ahead and click this video here. It shows you how to actually pair these with your Bluetooth device.